My name is Abhijit Dilip Karmalkar, and today's date is 14 January 2022. So today's topic is Java 8 interfaces uh, in Java. So what is Java 8 and what is the changes and what is the update of Java 8 interface? So firstly, we will see Java 8 interface. Uh, Interface in Java is can only have abstract method, and all methods of Java interfaces are public and abstract by default. So Java 8 is allows to interface and have its Java Java have to default and static method. So then the reason is Java is default method is in interface is to allow the developers and to add a new methods to the interface without affecting the classes and implementation of these interfaces. So why Java is default method? If ABCD implements an interface, so XYZ interface, then if we add a new method to XYZ interface and we have to change the code and change the code in all classes ABCD that implements the interface. So we so we can say that the concept of default method is introduced in Java 8 interface to add the new methods in the existing interfaces in such a way so that they are compatible backward compatibility and is adding new features without breaking old code. So next point is a static method in Java 8. So static method in interfaces are similar to the default methods. So except that we cannot override these methods in classes or that implements these interfaces. So Java, so the new method, so Java is a default, Java is a default method in Java 8. So Java is Oracle based version Java 8 in 2014. Uh, it was the release of the Java software development platform, and it include various upgrades to the Java program, and the Java 8 programming language. Features of Java 8 programming language. So first is a method reference, default method, Stream API, functional interfaces. So next is a for each method, optional class, uh, optional class, IO enhancement, uh, JDBC enhancement, etc. These are the Java 8 provides the features of a Java programming. So What is a stream API? So Java util.stream is package, and it consists of classes, interfaces, and numbers to allow functionality type and operation on the elements. So these are the Java features and interfaces in Java 8. So thank you.